All right, so the GRISM telescope just released the first X-ray image of 3I Atlas, and what scientists are seeing right now is breaking every assumption we had about this object. There's a 400,000 kilometer halo glowing around it. That's the distance from Earth to the moon, and it's showing carbon, nitrogen, oxygen signatures like it's a normal comet doing normal comet things. Except 3I Atlas isn't doing normal things. It changed direction at perihelion. It's now aimed directly at Jupiter with mathematical precision that has astronomers completely baffled. And the X-ray data just confirmed it follows familiar physics while simultaneously doing 15 things that should be impossible. So we've got this situation where the more we learn about this object, the weirder it gets. Let me walk you through what's actually happening here, because this X-ray image didn't solve the mystery, it made it 10 times deeper. So here's what went down. The GRISM telescope, that's the X-ray Imaging and Spectroscopy Mission joint project between JAXA, NASA, and ESA, pointed its instruments at 3I Atlas and captured something that's never been done before. First ever X-ray image of an interstellar object, not Oumuamua, not 2I Borisov. This is the first time we've seen what an interstellar visitor looks like in X-rays. And what they're seeing is this faint glow surrounding the object. Now, when I say faint, I mean it's not blasting X-rays like a pulsar or anything dramatic. This is subtle, but it's there, and it extends roughly 400,000 kilometers around 3I Atlas. To put that in perspective, the moon orbits Earth at about 384,000 kilometers. This halo is bigger than that entire distance. The glow isn't coming from dust reflecting light. It's not ice crystals scattering radiation. This is actual X-ray emission, real photons being generated through a specific process that we need to talk about, because understanding how this works is key to understanding why scientists are both excited and confused right now. The X-ray spectrum, that's the breakdown of which wavelengths and energies are being emitted, shows clear signatures of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Those are volatile elements, meaning they exist as gases or ices that can sublimate, turn from solid directly into gas when heated. And the fact that we're detecting them in X-rays tells us something very specific is happening when solar wind hits neutral gas, gas that still has all its electrons and isn't ionized. There's this process called charge exchange. Solar wind is mostly protons and electrons screaming away from the sun at hundreds of kilometers per second. These protons are highly charged because they're missing electrons. When they slam into neutral gas molecules like carbon monoxide or nitrogen, they steal electrons from those molecules. And when that electron transfer happens, energy gets released as an X-ray photon. This is textbook physics. We see this with comets all the time. Comet Hale-Bopp, when it came through the inner solar system in 1997, we detected X-rays from it through this exact mechanism. Same with Comet Ison in 2013 before it broke apart near the sun.